many have you caught, Scott?
I actually haven't been counting, but I mean, we've all been catching them.
Yeah.
Just one right after the other, so.
I'm filming you.
We probably
Hey, dude,
over 100 fish sitting here.
I'm filming you, so you got to lie.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm filming you, so you got to lie.
Oh.
We haven't been here a solid hour yet, have we?
It's 8:25.
Go ahead. Tell me about the big one. Oh, look at that one.
Yeah, I've caught probably 150 fish myself here.
150, just in the last hour?
Well, no, in probably about 20 minutes.
Last 20 minutes?
There we go.
Hold that up. Yeah, there you go. Good job. You're on film.